Hello guys, today is a beautiful day in Puerto Aventuras, Mexico. You can see that the sea is beautiful, almost no sargasso on the beach. It's fine and clear. Take a look at this beauty. We do have some options in rent in Puerto Aventuras as well as in Playa del Carmen and Tulum. I will show you the beach now, so you know how it looks. Here you can see the beachfront hotel. It used to be called Omni, but now it's like Puerto Aventuras Hotel Resort. You can see people are here taking the sea waves. Well, it's okay now. Not any storm in Puerto Aventuras. This Puerto Aventuras beach, we call it Omni Beach. There are actually 3 beaches in Puerto Aventuras. This one is relatively big. It's approximately half a kilometer. You can see the sailboats there taking tours. Here is the channel entrance, main entrance, the Condominiums, a sea view condominiums. This condominium is called Chak Halal. We got options in rent and for sale there too. Please comment down below if you need something to rent in Mexico, in Puerto Aventuras. This one is Omni Hotel. I can take you a little tour there. Here you can have some drinks. We are going to the pool area. It is just renovated pool. Looks very beautiful. With a sea view right here. Beautiful, isn't it? The big palapa up there for your events. Actually, there are 3 pools here. And I can show you the sea view from upside. Wow, looks beautiful, right? The Palladium Hotel is there, 1 kilometer away. And all this Puerto Aventuras community is beachside, beachfront. A lot of beachfront options here for rent and for sale. And we can help you to find your option. So let us know if you need something. This one is from almost August of 2025. See you in the next videos, guys. Bye bye.